Good morning, everyone. My name is Macpinelo Plaret, and I am accredited assessor for SMAU and C2, or known as Shielded Metal Art Welding. So, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Miss Helen Reyes, our representative from TESDA Provincial Office. So, Miss Helen is here to oversee the conduct of competency assessment and to check if the conduct is in accordance with the prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. So Miss Helen will not assess you. So before I start the orientation, let me first check the attendance. As I call your name, please affix your signature, then present to me your respective admission slip. So we have Cindy Claire Bimasayan and Makem Oclaret Delenya. So I have here with me your accomplished self-assessment guide and application form. So this is an indication that you know and can perform all the units of competency enumerated in this qualification. So the purpose of our assessment for qualifications MAU and C2 is to determine the level of your competency, and this can also be used for local or overseas employment and promotion. Okay, today I'm going to administer competency assessment SMAU NC2, or known as Shielded Metal Art Welding, with a core unit of weld carbon steel plates using SMAU, weld carbon steel plates in pipes using SMAU. So your task to be performed is to perform SMAU NC2. We will collect evidence through the demonstration or oral questioning. So to determine your knowledge and skills for SMAU NC2, the assessment method that we will use the demonstrations and oral questioning. So this method can help measure the underpinning knowledge and skills. So for your personal needs, our restrooms are located downstairs beside the conference room, and you can take your meal at the canteen located at the lobby. So if you have difficulty in understanding the given instructions, please do not hesitate to inform me, because I'm willing to translate it for you. But once the assessment has started, please refrain from asking questions. It will no longer be entertained. But during the actual assessment, please observe safety and precautions as you perform the different tasks. In case of accident, please call my attention immediately. Okay, with regard to the assessment result, we observe strict confidentiality. In case you have any question regarding the assessment result, you have the right to appeal. You can submit your appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office, where the assessment center and the assessor were accredited. So do you have any question? So I hear none. So if you have no question and clarification, I'm going to distribute to you this specific instruction. So please read them carefully. So prepare the necessary ingredients, materials, tools, and equipment in accordance with the following tasks to be performed within 4 hours. So we have weld carbon steel plates using SMAU, weld carbon steel plates in pipes using SMAU. So do you have any question? So I hear none. Okay, this time, I'm going to administer the competency assessment agreement sheet. So this CAS serves as contract between the candidate and the assessor, that the assessor explain and the candidate understand the process and requirements of the assessment. So please affix your signature and answer all questions outlined in the sheet. So get one and pass. So everybody must be ready now. So let us now start the assessment proper. So now let's proceed to the demonstration area with oral questioning. So as I call your name, proceed to the demonstration area. Okay, Claire B. Masayan, you may now proceed to the demonstration area. Bring with you your specific instruction. So okay, Claire B. Masayan, this is our assessment area where you are going to perform SMAU in C2. So please read your specific instructions. So if you have any question, you ask now. Because once the assessment has started, you can no longer ask any question. So do you have any question? So I hear none. So on that regard, you may now begin, and please be informed that after demonstration, Oral questioning will follow. Okay, done? Let's proceed to oral questioning. So, what will you do if the electrode does not spark? Okay, good. Let's proceed to feedback. So, how do you feel about the assessment?
Sir, I am confident that I was able to perform well during the demonstration even if I have a hard time with the written tests and oral questioning.
Okay, my observation coincides with your opinion. You are competent in performing the different skills and qualifications of SMAU in situ. However, you did not observe safety precautions while conducting the demo. In oral questioning, you are not confident in answering, but your answers are correct. And the result of the written test show that you are knowledgeable enough about SMAU in situ. For that, I would like to congratulate you for a job well done and for having a competent training on this assessment. Once again, congratulations. Okay, will you please affix your signature in rating sheet as well as in your competency assessment result for the cars? The assessment center manager will sign your cars and I will give it to you into the holding area. So before you go back to the holding area, I would like to inform you on how to request or claim your national certificate. In requesting your NC, that would be from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at TESDA Provincial Office located at the Bahada, Davao City. So fill up the request form and attach the following. So first we have the original copy of your cars, one passport size picture with white background wearing colored garment, and two documentary stamp. Then fill up the request payment and prepared 100 pesos and 50 pesos for the national certificate. Then another 50 pesos for the certification, authentication, and verification or the COB. Okay, once again, congratulations. Now you may proceed to the holding area. So Makim LZ, you may now proceed to the demonstration and bring with your specific instruction. So Makim LZ Oklaret, this is our assessment area. We're going to perform with carbon steel plates using SMAU. So please read your specific instruction. So if you have any question, you ask now. Because once the assessment has started, you can no longer ask any question. So do you have any question? So okay, I hear none. On that regard, you may now begin and please be informed that after demonstration, oral questioning will follow. Okay, done. Let's proceed to the oral questioning. So what will you do if the electrode does not spark? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's proceed to the feedbacking. So how do you feel about the assessment?
I felt so nervous and I forgot the proper sequence of demonstration and I almost passed out during the assessment.
Ah, really? So in that manner, what will you do if you're asked to be demonstrate again?
I will try my best, sir, to control my fear and focus to the task being asked.
Ah, okay. So what did you learn from this session?
I had learned that should review on the knowledge and skills and practice for me to become confident, and I also will change my negative attitude towards learning and I will try to focus and practice.
Okay, Makim LZ Claret. Based on the result of my observation during the demonstration, the outcome of the assessment is that you are not yet competent. However, you can be reassessed anytime at your convenience or when you are confident to perform the given task. So do you have any question? Okay, I hear none. So will you affix your signature in your rating sheet as well as in your competency assessment results summary? The assessment center manager will sign your cards and I will give it to you into the holding area. So thank you very much and you may go back now to the holding area. Okay, assessment center manager, the assessment is over. So please sign this competency assessment result summary. Okay, thank you. Okay, candidates, I will now distribute your cards. Okay, thank you very much everyone. Assessment is over. You may go now. Okay, test the representative assessment is over for the qualification of SMAU and C2. Now I am presenting to you the complete test package of the qualification SMAU and C2. So thank you everyone and congratulations.